Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of brow gels and my quest to find the perfect one. You see, I've got a bit of a love-hate relationship with these products. On one hand, they promise to give me the brows of my dreams, but on the other, they often leave my brows feeling crunchy and unnatural. It's a fine line to walk, and I'm here to share my journey and hopefully help you find your brow gel soulmate too. Now, let's talk about the 3 brow gels I put to the test. First up, we have the Essence Brow Lift and Freeze Glue. This one has a wax-like consistency, which is an interesting approach. While it does help avoid that crispy feeling, it can be a bit tricky to get those hairs in place just right. And despite its promise of an 18-hour hold, my brows seem to have their own agenda, reverting to their natural state within a typical workday. It's not a bad option for the price, but it's not quite the holy grail either. Next, we've got the Morphe Micro Manager Gripping Brow Gel. I love the slimline brush on this one. It's precise and allows for some serious brow sculpting. However, the white formula has a tendency to dry quickly, leading to some flaking issues. Now, this might be exacerbated by my heavy coverage foundation, but it's definitely something to consider if you're a fan of a full coverage base. If you tend to go lighter on the makeup, this could be a great match for you. And finally, we arrive at the luxury option, the Modern Brow Gel by Vieve. Jamie Genevieve, the makeup artist and founder of Vieve, seems to understand my brow needs perfectly. This gel exceeded my expectations. The tube is a bit bigger than I anticipated, but the brush is fantastic, ensuring an even application. The formula is flexible, setting my brows in place all day without feeling heavy or flaky. It's a winner in my book. So, what's the takeaway here? Well, personally, I think it's all about finding the right balance. You want a brow gel that gives you control without feeling like you've got a mask on your face. It's a delicate dance, but with the right product, you can achieve that natural, defined look. And remember, what works for me might not work for you, so it's all about trying and finding what suits your brows best. Happy brow gel hunting, and don't be afraid to experiment. What are your thoughts on brow gels? Have you found your perfect match yet? Let's chat in the comments.